friends, welcome back to Aquí en Casa con Irma. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a more of a cleaning motivation, getting it all done type of video. Tengo que limpiar la cocina, levantar poquito el comedor, la sala también. I need to pick up a little bit in our living room. I have tons of clothes to put away. I have clothes in the dryer, I have clothes in the washer. También tengo una lavadora más that I need to throw into the washer to get washed as well. I need to go and check in the kids' room, wipe down some bathrooms. So I hope this video motivates you guys. Si son nuevas por aquí, don't forget to click the subscribe button over here in the corner, and then don't forget to give me a like on this video if you guys enjoy videos like this. It's been a while since I've done like a whole house kind of like get things all done, cleaning up type of video. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and start doing today. So I hope you guys enjoy.
Sensation. promise all the places. I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh,
California. The sun is always shining bright. People are smiling, making plans, hiding behind their shades, and you're doing the same. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me. Even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm at night. No, I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. But if the sky would open up, you're staying home, you don't get out. You always used to love the rain, but LA changed you. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me. Even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm at night. No, I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. No flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. Cause I'm I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. Never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'm a drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but let. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, fuck it, I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain?
So I'm pretty much almost done. Así quedó the girls' room. I don't think I've showed their room since they have that new bed in here now. They actually sleep together, so they don't have individual beds anymore. Pero it's almost time for me to take Shayla to school, so I have to get her ready. So I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly put the robot vacuum in here to clean up their room while I get Shayla ready.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking.
Okay friends, so that's all for today. Hope this video gave you guys un montón de motivación para hacer la limpieza de su casa. So if you guys were in need for that cleaning or that extra push or boost for some cleaning motivation, I hope this video gave you guys all that motivation. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting away all of these clothes that I have here on the bed. Switch over the washer, the dryer, put those stuff away. So if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to click the subscribe button before leaving today's video, and I'll see you on the next one. Adios.